Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to manage team management in Manager Career. In the beginning, let's go to Squad in Manager Career and go to Team Management. Here you can manage squad, check for injuries, substitutes, swap players. Next, you can change tactics or you can create new tactic. In the end, you can switch players assignment. Then you can go to team sheet to save or import the team sheet. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.